Today we're going to be going over how to use global search within the TechnoMile Growth Suite. Global search is always available, and all you need to do is you need to come into your Growth Suite, and up here at the top is the global search. From here, you can type in any keyword of what you're looking for. It could be an agency like Navy. It could be a capability like cyber. And this is going to be searching across everything that is in your org. So if we go ahead and click enter, you'll see your top results. So you'll see on the left side all the different objects that it searches across, including files. So it will try and look for files that contain the word that we just searched, so cyber. So again, you can see down here in files, even though the word cyber is not in the document title, somewhere in that document it mentions cyber, and that's what it's searching across. But it'll also pull back results for accounts, contacts, etc. On the left, if you want to filter it further and say you're only looking for Sparks that contain cyber, we can click on Sparks. And then it'll show a list of all Sparks that have cyber tied to it. And then we can further refine our search over here based on the fields on that particular object. Additionally, at the top, if you want to look for right away a specific object, up here it says search all. You can also change that and do just searching for accounts or any of the other objects that are in your system. Additionally, from up here, you can just select right away. You'll see on the right side, it does open up some information about the record you're looking at, or you can go ahead and click on it and it'll take you directly to that record that you selected.